from the moment I enter into this auditorium, everyone have concerns about the environment and society. Till the projects presented here, and I haven't seen one of the projects about law and judiciary system. I think the law is a major point, which is not just a luxury; it is a basic thing. It's not just for auditors and judges or lawyers who are working in the court. It's basic thing that everyone needs to understand. Before going into the project, this project was in production and it was approved by the Central Government of India SIH 2024 winner. So this is in production grade, soon to be released by the Government of India centrally. So what's our project is? 75% of the Indian prisoners are in bail, are inside the prison because they didn't get a proper bail. So, in this system, each and every citizen of India who are underprivileged can able to access our website not just through the internet, also in offline mode, so that they can access whether they get the bail or not. The judges and legal prisoners. There are billions of cases in Indian court as well as Supreme Court which is not just solved. So in this system, I am assuring that within 4 to 5 days a case will be solved which is on poor basis of Indian penal codes and the past cases which are solved by the Supreme Court and High Courts of India. Okay. Coming into the solution part, there are three modules: an undertale module, a lawyer module, and a judges module. In which an undertale module, the user can able to type what under what section they have been arrested or to get the bail. And based on the user's input, our model will give a detailed report of what and all the IPC section and whether they will get a bail or not. For understanding this, we need to get two systems. There are bailable and non-bailable offences. Even in non-bailable offences, we can able to get bail. We are currently facing the Ajit Kumar and Sadhanpuram case. I will assure that using this technology, they would be alive now. Going to the lawyers module, there are some underprivileged people who can't able to get access to the lawyers and judges. But within the system, if they can able to file the FIR in our website, so they can able to reach the judges directly without the need of the police. Coming to the architecture, from user mode, they need to log in and upload the FIR copy which they get from the police officers. Then they need to apply the bail application. After that, the judicial authorities can just log in using their credentials. Based on that, a detailed FIR and the bail petition can be processed and mailed. The tech stack we have used: React, Node.js, Express.js, and MySQL. You can able to ask me two things: how I get the real-time data. We have been collaborated with the Government of India, so I have got the APIs from police as well as Indian Penal website and Indian Canon website, which contains the data of all the solved cases from 1947 till now. Unique value proposition. As I said, our Government of India has already bought this project, so it's already in the production grade. So we have a market value analysis as well. Since using a Kavit search, Kavit is nothing but Indian government advocates are using a Kavit search, which help the undertale prisoners or their family to reach the advocate without the need of the online systems. Coming to the challenges faced, there are two challenges I have faced. Being an engineering student, I can't able to get all the details about the law. But what I did was I have used an Hugging-Face model and I have trained it using each and every section in the Indian Penal Code as well as the sections under it. So I get a detailed history of all the sections under the Government of India.